Sometimes, when we are in nature, we find that it gives us more than we ever imagined. Nature brings us peace, beauty, and a feeling of wonder. As John Lennon said, when we walk with nature, we get more than we expect. This trip showed me how important it is to appreciate and protect nature. It's a reminder to slow down, enjoy simple things, and take care of beautiful places for the future. So I encourage you to explore and find your own special spots. Look at the sights, listen to the sounds, and let nature make you feel happy. Remember, our world is a wonderful gift and we should all help to keep it safe and beautiful. Thanks for joining me. I hope you find your own moments of wonder and always remember the beauty of nature.